So today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem with a MacBook that is not turning on. So naturally, when you open up the lid of your MacBook Neo, when it's shut, when it's folded like that, and you open it like that, it should automatically turn itself on. Okay. Now, if that's not happening, then you might want to try pressing on the power button. The power button is this button right here. Also doubles up as a fingerprint sensor depending on which version of the MacBook Neo you have. So press that button once and see if the laptop boots up. Now, if those two things do not boot up your laptop, then you might want to try and plug it into power to charge it. Okay, so grab your charger, plug it into one of the Type-C ports, give it about 5 to 10 seconds. 5 to 10 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes. Let it charge for some time. And if you're using the original charger, then that should take a very short time. If you're using slower charger, then you might need more time than the original charger. So let it charge, and then you can try turning it back on. You can try and closing the lid. Then after 5 minutes, 5 seconds, try and pick up the lid again to see if it boots up. Now, if none of those work, then you can try and let it charge for some time. Also, confirm that the place that you've plugged in your charger has power. So you can try and plug in another device like your phone, just to confirm that the cable actually has power to charge your laptop. Okay, so that I can confirm that has power. If it doesn't have power, you can change the wall socket. Anyway, if it has power, then plug it in and give it about 30 minutes for it to be able to get enough power to boot up. Now, if that's still not working, then you can try and go into the startup options. To do that, with the MacBook off, you want to press and hold the power button. So just press and hold that power button. Just continue holding even if you see the Apple logo. Just keep holding until you see loading startup options, and then you can let go. Once the startup options load up, you can either restart. If that doesn't work, then come back here and then click on options and then hit continue. And then you want to go ahead and select your user and then click on next and then put in your password. And then hit enter. And then you want to go to disk utility, click on continue. And then you want to come here and click on first aid. So basically first aid is basically just like system options, trying to check if everything is running properly. It's like a diagnostic tools for Windows. All right, so run first aid on Mac OS system, just click on run. Verifying the startup volume will cause the computer to stop responding. All right, so let's go ahead and click on continue, and let it run the first aid and maybe fix any problem you might have that's causing your computer not to start. Once that is done, then you can now try turning it back on to load macOS. Okay, so you want to go back. So go to the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, and then select restart. So that now should fix any problem you might have with your MacBook and restart into macOS. So if you've tried all that and your MacBook Neo is still not turning up or turning on, then you might want to go to your local Apple store or where you purchased this and use the warranty to get it fixed. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.